Hello friends, this is Jitendra with a new topic, aggregates of national income. Now, in this content we are discussing about the different correlated factors, different factors related to the national income, and those national incomes are related to the GDP market price. I think a familiar term to you, that is a GDP market price or GDP gross domestic product at market price. So from the previous content, the basic concepts relating to the national income, now we are going to start the new topic, that is correlated factors to the national income. And there are 8 related aggregates. There are 8 related aggregates of national income as per the CBSE curriculum for the class 12 student. Now, those 8 related aggregates. Those 8 related aggregates are 4 domestic products and 4 national products. These are the 4 domestic products and these are the 4 national products. Now, what are those domestic products and national products? We'll discuss the definition separately. And how one factor is correlated to other one. Which factors are actually affecting there, that we will discuss here. Now, first of all, you see the comparison. These are the domestic products and these are the national products. Now, let me define. Definition is most of the important factor for this, because all correlated factors is likely similar, but it is not the same. So what difference is there, and from those difference we can understand what is the actual definition of the different correlated aggregates. The first definition, we are starting from the gross domestic product. Here, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product can be defined as the gross market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory during given period of time. This is the first definition. The definition, second one, the gross domestic product at factor cost. You just mark here what is the difference. The gross domestic product at factor cost can be defined as the gross money value of all the final goods and services produced by the country within the domestic territory during a period of time. Similarly, NDPFP, it can be defined as the net market value of all final goods and services produced by the country within the territory during given period of time. Now, see the last one, NDPFC, can be defined as the net money value of all final goods and services produced by the country within the territory. Just I am focusing all the major words during a given period of time. Similarly, these are the 4 national products: GNPMP, GNPFC, NNPMP and NNPFC. Now, GNPMP can be defined as the gross market value of all final goods and services produced by the normal resident of a country during a period of time. Similarly, GNPMP, GNPFC can be defined as the gross money value of all final goods and services produced by the normal resident during given period of time. You see, MP means market value, FC means money value, gross means gross value, net means net market value. This is the difference. Okay. Now, last one is the NNPMP. The can be defined as the net market value of all final goods and services produced by the normal resident of a country during a period of time. Now, the last one is our definition of national income. That is your NNPFC can be defined as the net money value of all final goods and services produced by the country, by the normal resident of the country during a given period of time. Now, what is the major point of difference? You see, gross, it is the gross value, net value, National, it is produced by non-resident. Domestic, produced within the domestic territory. And market value including NIT, and factor cost excluding the NIT. This is the difference between these different definitions of the related agreements. Now we have the conversion methods. How can you convert one factor into another form? Here gross is given and net is given. How can you convert one form to another form? The gross value can be converted to net value by subtracting depreciation, and similarly net value can be converted into gross value by adding the depreciation. Similarly, the next factor is your conversion of national product, national and domestic product. National minus NFI is domestic product, domestic plus NFI is national product. Similarly, here NIT, market price and factor cost. Market price minus NIT is factor cost, and factor cost plus NIT is market price. So these are the different conversions methods. Let we have one simple example of this numerical problem. Now, example of this: calculate national income on NNPFC from the following data. The data is given, particulars are given: subsidies 80, GDP market price 5,500, and consumption of fixed capital 300, then GST is 100, then NFI is given 100. So from this we can have the solution. This NNPFC at FC, and this is the solution. NNP at FC is equal to GDP market price, because we are calculating national income NNPFC from the GDP market price. So GDP market price minus depreciation is minus depreciation plus NFI minus NFI on the basis of the previous conversion method. Clear? On the basis of previous conversion method we can have. Now after putting the values you will get this 5060. So this is a simple example I have given you, and please go through the different types of questions from different reference books, or maybe download it from the book bank. You can practice it.